Hello, everyone. Pool season's in full swing now that school is out for the summer. But to access the pool, you must have two things. You must have your HOA dues paid for the year and have filled out and signed the pool waiver for everyone in your home for this year and submit it to Association Link. I'm going to show you where to find the pool waiver on our website with Association Link. You do not even have to log into your account, and all the links to all these um, to the waivers will also be in the description as well as our website um, link. So first, what you need to do is go to this website right here. This is our website. Website's right here, and that will be in the comments. And when you get there, then it will bring you up to the main like page of our website where you can sign in right here, or if you do not have an account, you will have to register here and fill out the form for that to register and send that and submit that association link, and that can take like a couple days to get access and active for the website. But we're gonna just talk about the pool for today. So when you go to the website, our website, you can see that you have the community news right here, and you got a scrolling thing that has community news. You can find the newsletter, which is here. It's got January. Have asked to get that updated, but you can find the newsletter here. But also here you can see that it says the 2024 pool season, and so what you want to do is click on the read more. Here we go. I'm going to click on the read more, and then it comes with a complete message of that about the pool and the authorization. You have to sign that and the waiver. So we're going to scroll down, and for the residents, homeowners for this year, you will want to click here where it says click here, and when you do, it will come up with the pool waiver, which is here. You will want to put in your property address. So I'm just gonna make an address here. So 123 um, Alphabet Street, and then just gonna fill it out like this. All right. So then we're gonna just do. Then you want to put your name. So we're just gonna do the and then phone number, and then your email, whatever your email is. Alright, so then after you fill all that information in, you will want to select one of these. So I want to reactivate my pool key from last year. I want to activate my key that was provided at me at closing. I want to pick up my first pool key. I need replacement, reassign. So you'll want to click one of these. So I'm just gonna just say I want to reactivate my pool key. I still have mine. So let's click there. Um, so then if you have a pool key, um, there's a number on it. You can put that in there. If it's on this is the numbers that's on your little pool key. I'm just gonna make some up. So you'll want to put that in. You don't have to. It says optional, so you don't have to put that in there, but you can. And then here you want to register who is all in your household. um, for to have access to the pool. So you want to put family member 1. So I'm just going to do, and then the age. Let's just do this. All right. Then we're gonna add. Let's say there's like 4 people in your household. So then we're gonna do um, and then we're gonna make them. That is the second person in our family. So then we're gonna do another one. You gotta click the blue add button. We're gonna add one more. Well, you get the idea. So you just fill it out like that. And then once you fill out everybody for your household, then you want to check this. I understand my pool card will only be activated when dues are paid in full. Um, you understand that the pool keys may take 3 business days to activate. Pool forms received after 4:30 will be processed the next day. You've read and understood the procedures on the community webpage. You agree that all family members and guests will comply and knowingly volunteer. You assume the risk of using the pool because we do not have a lifeguard, so you'll have to check all of these that you agree. And then you'll put your signature here. And then you'll also want to put your name here. Well, you can just type it here to make the signature. So there we go. And then you want to put today's date. So you'll put today's date. You can put it here. So today's like June 1st. And then after that, you'll want to hit this blue button down here, which is the submit button. You click that, and then that takes your form and submits it to Association Link. And then there you have it. That's how you find and fill out the homeowner's pool waiver. So now I'm going to go back to where we were on the main page. And for those um, residents that we have that are renting, you would want to do owners with tenants. So then they would click here, and the form for that should come up. And then you do the exact same thing. It looks the exact same way. You fill out your name for the people in your home, um, check all of that, and then your signature, date, and then this blue button, which is the submit button. Um, then it says here, this is the only difference with the renters and the actual homeowners. The renters, you must provide Association Link a copy of your current lease each year to Association Link. You can send it email to this email address, and a photocopy or picture of the document is sufficient as long as it's legible, and your waiver will be considered incomplete until they receive a copy of the lease. So that is the only difference between the renter's pool waiver and the actual homeowner's pool waiver. So please make note of that if you are renting. But other than that, everything else is the same. Um, so I hope this has helped you find your pool waivers. There is one other thing that you can do. It's optional. It's an authorization for release of information. If you'd like to give Association Link um, authorization to communicate account details with others other than the people listed on your deed. So you can click here, and it has a form that comes up, and it's just giving a Association Link the authorization to release of information. So this would be the community association name. You would put Gregg's Mill, and then your address, and then the authorized person. So say you're the homeowner, but you want somebody else that's not, say, listed on the deed. It could be a spouse or somebody who's over 18 that lives with you. And then the person who's filling out the form, so the homeowner would need to put this, what relationship they are, and then the homeowner would need to sign here, date it, put the homeowner's printed name, email address, and the mailing address, and again click this blue button, the submit button here, and then that would go to association link as well. And then after you come here, scroll down, this is the end. Um, but that is where you can find your 2024 pool waiver forms on our website without even signing in to your account.